What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some rock slider Nerf bars on this Can-Am X3. They are from Willie V on Facebook. So we'll go ahead. I haven't done these yet before. I know we make some really nice stuff, so we will go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so that's what they look like. Looks like they're going to use the stock mounting locations here. So real nice, heavy duty. Yeah, it looks like a pretty cool piece. Should look good on this X3. So we're going to go ahead and find out what kind of tools we need, and then we'll hop over to the machine and get this thing installed. Okay, so kind of just going to run through the quick tools that we need to go ahead and throw these Willie V rock slider Nerf bars on. Kit comes with some hardware, some clamps. They're just 2-inch muffler clamps. Those go on the back bracket. You are going to need 1 3/4 hole saw. If you have the stock BRP fender flares like we did a couple videos ago, you will have to take out some of those screws just so you could slide the rock slider underneath, and then you can bolt them back up. So you'll need your T27 for that. You have a 9/16 wrench for the hardware, 13 millimeter for the clamp hardware, and then a socket for all those. And then you're just going to need a razor blade to cut some extra parts of the plastic out from the inside or the outside, and just clean up around the holes when you drill them. So we're going to go ahead and hop over to the machine and get these things installed. Okay, so just like on the other pieces that we had, there were dimples, you know, for the fender flares and stuff. This is going to be the same thing. So you have your dimple here for the inside, and that one you can drill out from here and then cut it on the inside. Then you're going to have another one down here, and your last one will be up front. There's a slot behind here, so once you feel that slot, you'll know where to look for the dimple, which is right here. And you can go ahead and drill those out with the 1 3/4 hole saw, and then you'll slide your slider from the back going in, and that should be all there is to it as far as getting the holes drilled, and then so we can start lining stuff up. So we'll go ahead and drill those out and get back going with the rest of the install. And then all this stuff is what you're going to clean up with your razor blade. Just deep burr all around the hole there. So that's the 3 holes that you got to drill. Obviously you can see, super easy, goes right through. Now you'll want to clean this up, cut the plastic out of this back piece, and then we can go ahead and start lining them up. Okay, so for this last one, we'll go ahead on the inside. And there's another plug here, but this one is already tabbed, and you can just cut this out with a razor blade. That one right there, and that'll reach your bolt hole, and then you'll be able to come through and go ahead and get this guy cut. Pieces that you cut out, these are connected on the back side, so when you drill that out, you just have to razor blade these out. It's easier to go from underneath the machine. You will have plenty of room to do that. Okay, so now we're gonna come from the back, line this part up, just start getting these where they're going to lay. Again, we'll have to take out these T27s front and rear to get these to sit flush. So we're going to remove 3 in the back here. That's just enough where you can get this slid in the rest of the way. And here on the front, Took out a total of 5 on the front, 3 on the rear. And then that'll allow this to slide out of the way. And it's gonna fit just like that when you bolt it all back together. And again, here in the back, get that slid into place. Check your rear clamp. So now on these, this front bolt is your hardest one. So that goes from underneath. And what we'll do is we'll get the hardware through here, slide it into the backside, and bolt that up hand tight. And then we'll just go across and get them all done. But for the most part, all these you're going to want to just install hand tight for now until every single one has a few threads on it. So these are going to get a washer. Then we'll get a washer and a lock washer on the inside. So now we're going to go and do the front one. It's going to be kind of hard to get a camera angle in there, but we are going to pull the bolt, push the bolt through the front, and then get up underneath there and lock it down. So we'll do that, and then we'll hop back over as we tighten these all up. Okay, so let me just show you where these bolts go. You got this one that comes right through here, this access hole. Another one comes through the frame here. And then our last one through here. But the access point is right in here. So that's where you get your wrench up through, is right in here. So there's plenty of room. It's really not as hard as some of the other videos made it seem. And then back here is where our hose clamp is going to go around the bar and tighten down on this with the 13s with 2 washers. Okay, so these are all installed. As you can see back here, got that clamp in there, tighten it down. Okay, so at this time you can go ahead and reinstall your front seat. You won't need to get in here anymore. I did forget to mention in the beginning, it is obviously a lot easier to pull this seat. You know, some guys say you could do it without pulling the seat. I just highly recommend taking the 4 bolts out and pulling the seat. These are 13s in the front, 18 in the rear. Just pull them and it'll make life a lot easier. So this time, go ahead, buckle your seat back in, bolt it all down, and that's pretty much it as far as the Willie V rock sliders go. Really nice product. Good addition to the machines. Great wraparound coverage here on the bottom. It wraps around 2 inches underneath here, all the way through. So yeah, real nice. We'll reinstall these T27s, the front and rear, and that'll be it as far as installing this, and then just put the seat back in. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up here on the Willie V Hubbard rock slider Nerf bars. Again, just don't forget to put all your T70s back in. Obviously bolt your seats down after you're done with that. But yeah, real nice product. If you need any help with the install, drop us a comment below. Again, our website is teamfasmotorsports.com, or give us a call anytime at 914-799-5558. We appreciate you guys watching. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Every little bit helps with that. And we appreciate you guys watching as always, and thank you for the support. And we'll catch you on the next one.